Lejn nofs ix-xahar ta' Marzu li għadda, il-vara titolari ta' San Giuseppe tal-Manikata ittieħdet għand il-kumpanija Atelier del Restauro sabiex isirilha intervent ta' restawr fuqha. Il-vara nħadmet minn Ferdinand Stufleser Fortizej Bolzano fl-1977 u hija aktarx magħmula mill-linja mħamrani taċ-Ċirasa. San Giuseppe ġie mnaqqax minn zokk sħiħ u l-bambin inħadem għalih tant li jidher zokk ieħor minn taħt fil-bażi. It-teknika ġenerali tal-vara hija abbinata ma' Bolzano, xempju ta' xogħlijiet li skolpiet il-fabrika Stufleser. Karatteristika partikolari hija d-daqqa evidenti tat-tinqix fl-injam. Maria Grazzi Zenzani, mill-kumpanija fdata mir-restawr, elaborat aktar dwar l-isfidi partikolari li affaċċjaw fir-restawr.
Even during the cleaning, it was a challenge because we had to be very, very careful about the fragility of the color. And this technique, in the shade, you have directly the wood, especially, for example, you can see it on the face of St. Joseph. On the shade, you have wood, and in the light, you have like glazing of light color. Luckily, the statue suffered from like severe growth of biofilm. That means that mold was coming out. And one other challenge was the cleaning, the eradication of this mold. Obviously, there will be a challenge also on the niche because the like climate inside the niche will totally change.
Apparti trattament tal-moħħa fin-naħa isfel tal-vara, sar restawr partikolari fuq li tix-xellugija ta' San Giuseppe. Hekk kif instabet żeba ħadra fuq il-karnaġġjon mid-dera applikata ftit wara l-wassa tal-vara minn Bolzano. Zenzani temmet tiżvela xogħol għad baqa' jsir biex jiġi fit-tmiem r-restawr.
The final coating has to be very, very light. And we advise like a matte coating. The difference between a statue that is gilded and like a Baroque statue, the coating is completely different. Over here, we need to keep like the matte effect done by the artist.
Bekk ikun jonqos l-aħħar irtokki u s-saf finali ta' verniċ fuq il-vara ta' San Giuseppe biex tiġi inawgurata lejn nofs Awwissu u bekk titgawda mill-poplu tal-Manikata fil-festa titolari tagħhom fl-aħħar ħadd ta' Awwissu.